Top 5 Best Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box.
Number 4. 3-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter Signal Generator. 3-in-1 design. This product ingeniously integrates digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal source functions in one device. Equipped with a 3.2-inch IPS display. With 120 MHz bandwidth and 250 MSA/s sampling rate. 3 trigger modes were designed: automatic, single, and normal. Multifunctional design supports sensitivity and time-based adjustment, automatic mode adjustment, 2-channel waveform analysis, cursor measurement, reference waveforms, FFT spectrum, reference waveforms, waveform save and view. With DC/A voltage, DC/A current, resistance, capacitance, diode, and continuity test. Built-in waveform signal generator. It can output sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, and so on. 3-in-1 design with IPS display. This product ingeniously integrates digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator functions into one device. 3.2-inch clear definition IPS display, high sensitivity full view display, channel 2 waveforms can be set to green/cyan/purple. Signal generator, built-in waveform signal generator, it can output sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, and so on. The voltage amplitude is 2.5 V, the frequency is adjustable from 0-2 MHz, and the square wave duty cycle is adjustable from 1% to 99%. Number 5. FNIRSI Digital Oscilloscope DSO-TC3 Function Signal Generator. FNIRSI DSO-TC3 combines a digital oscilloscope, electronic component tester, signal generator, continuity test, voltage test, temperature and humidity measurement, infrared decoding, and other functions that are skillfully integrated. It is equipped with a 2.4-inch color TFT display and a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, bringing users stronger and more practical functions with good portability. FNIRSI DSO-TC3 is an upgraded version of DSO-TC2. Based on DSO-TC2, it has upgraded capacitance ESR detection, function signal generator output, oscilloscope bandwidth and sampling rate improvement, input voltage and diode detection range increase, and so on. The improvement in performance and function of DSO-TC3 makes the device more stable and accurate in the detection process. Precision work. The digital oscilloscope has a high accuracy, accurate measurement, and precise design. It is an ideal choice for testers who are interested in reading. Well made. This digital oscilloscope is made of high-quality ABS material, which is durable and long service life. Compact. The digital oscilloscope is small and lightweight, easy to carry and store, and can be placed in a pocket or backpack.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.